Hey guys, Old Beater Cars Workshop. Well, here's my little pantry for all my models and parts and such. It's a little walk-in closet that I've converted, so parts and pieces. Of course, all my boxes have always been labeled. And the models. Right to the floor. Not that many, to be honest. There's my truck kits. There are parts and pieces and such. And more truck parts down there. And there's a bathroom. Yeah, so there's some plane kits down here. Some RC stuff, motorcycle kits. And the 1/16 scale, 1/12 scale cars up in there. Yeah, so little walk-in closet that's come in handy for storing my models. So, little show and tell, nothing crazy. I'm going to be blocking this door off here because it goes into the kitchen, and I'll block it off maybe later. And I don't need to be having people come over and have a boo and look and see what's in here. So, that's a stupid thing to have in there anyway. But anyways, there you have it. My little pantry of model kits. So, and some of my tools for my workshop down there. So those little nightstands come in handy for that. So, but these are almost too deep. So we'll get some more models one of these days. So just keep adding to the stash, I guess. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I need to put my probably gonna put in my thing here for my well, either here or on this, probably on this side. If you put my pegboard for the, actually that's a good idea actually. My pegboard I will put on here. So just had a good idea to block it off. Put my pegboard on there. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.